Hello viewers, welcome back. So this is our 20th video as part of our series of video of the playlist Power of Data Analysis. In today's video, we will experience one more forensic audit exceptional report, which is cash deposited into bank and withdrawal of cash from bank. So basically, this report will give you information of the cash deposit or withdrawal date in the books of tally and the reconciled date that has been captured while conducting the bank reconciliation. If there is a difference in the book entry and the bank entry, which is an exception, and probably there could be a indication of fraud. So this report helps one, the top management or the owner of the organization to quickly ascertain if there are any exceptions in case of cash withdrawal and deposit into the bank. This is going to be applicable where the cash transactions are more in the organization. Example could be a retail store or retail environment industry, mainly petrol bunks and other cash major oriented industries or enterprises. So let us go to Tally and explore this exceptional report of cash deposit and withdrawal. As mentioned earlier, this report will provide information on transactions captured in Tally Prime regarding cash deposited into the bank and cash withdrawals from the bank. The key information here is the date the transaction was captured in Tally Prime and the date it is reflected in the bank statement. The report provides this information once you have completed the bank reconciliation activity in your books of accounts. All these forensic and exceptional reports are generally viewed while finalizing the books of accounts by the company. These reports are very useful or beneficial for auditors when they are auditing their clients' books of accounts. No configuration is required to view these reports. All you have to do is just select this option of cash withdrawals deposits into the bank and drill down into the report. Select the bank from the list of banks that is listed here. If more than one bank has these cash deposit and cash withdrawal transactions, Tally will list the banks here. You can select each bank and analyze the transactions. In this case, let us select HDFC Bank. Again, remember, for effective analysis, the BRS activity should have been completed. Only then will Tally be able to capture the bank date as you have captured in the bank date field during the reconciliation. That is what will get reflected here as the bank date. Just wanted to share the history behind this report in Tally. When my team and I were interacting with many chartered accountants across the country, when I was in Tally developing this audit tool, one of the chartered accountant in Bangalore has given us this use case, which led to this exceptional report. The use case was, he said, we wanted to view a report in Tally as part of audit analysis where the report should list only cash withdrawals and deposit transactions along with the date as captured in Tally and the actual date reflected in the bank. He also mentioned the apt use case where he took an example which he said he had come across during one of his previous year's audit, the case of a petrol bunk where cash transactions are large in quantity. There are cases where the staff connives and commit these frauds. They will make cash deposit entry in Tally Prime, let's say on a Saturday, as if cash was deposited into the bank. But actually, they would not deposit these huge amounts. Instead, they give it to the loan sharks, where for the amount received from these people, they pay interest for the number of days they have the money with them. So in this case, the actual cash deposit will happen on Monday. So they will get the money from these loan sharks on Monday and deposit the same in the bank. Now the date in Tally is on Saturday, but the entry in the bank is on Monday. This is where the report helps in identifying these kind of exceptions. You can notice here this transaction, the date as per Tally's entry of cash deposit is on 18th of December, but whereas entry that is reflecting in the bank is on 21st. So there is a difference of 3 days. This is the kind of exception this report highlights. I hope this report will definitely help the business owners and also the auditors while the audit books of account to quickly look into the probable fraud or exceptions. See, sometimes it could be a genuine case, but however, this report helps in verifying and validating those transactions. So, thank you all once again for staying till the end. See you all in the next session. Thank you very much.